Hi beautiful people, in this video I'm going to tell you about the importance of knowing about yourself more. How to know about yourself, why the clarity of your desires is necessary to help manifest faster. So the number one thing you have to do is to find out your uniqueness. When you find out your uniqueness, it helps you stop the negative self-talk. Okay, and why the negative self-talk is not good for you? Because it keeps you in lower vibrations. Okay, and for example, when you are not a 9 to 5 person, right, you have to find your uniqueness. So according to your financial situation, you have to find out what you can do that is good for you, that is good for your mind, body and soul, I mean. So you have to do part-time job, maybe a freelance work or your own business. Depending on your financial situation, you have to figure out what you can do. So from your negative self-talk, you can find out your limiting beliefs also, right? So, and when you will be able to find out limiting beliefs, you will be able to then work on it and remove the blockages. And removing the blockages is the main reason how you can manifest faster. Is the main possibility that you can manifest faster, one step ahead, like 10x faster, 20x faster, whatever you can say. So as I told you, from the negative self-talk you can find out your limiting beliefs also. So for example, someone is saying you are not good at maintaining professional relationships. Again, you have to find out what career is good for you, right? And what is your uniqueness. This is simple, and then you will be able to maintain good professional relationships, all right? And yes, so you also have to maintain healthy boundaries in order to manifest faster. You have to figure out what are people pleasing behaviors. People pleasing is not only like the fake smiles and all, not like that. It's like when you'll be in personal growth, you'll find out there are many different ways that you're doing the people pleasing. Like you can't say no to people because they need you at a specific place, or you think they love you, so it's okay, I will also commit, no problem. These kind of behaviors, when you don't love them but you still say like no problem, okay fine, the person likes me very much. It's not like that. Okay, you have to also like that, maybe the environment, the situation, person, different ways. Okay, and again you will be able to manifest faster because of healthy boundaries. So pushing yourself for what you can never do. Okay, so again in this one you have to find out your uniqueness also. When you'll not be able to find out your uniqueness, you'll be able to you will keep pushing yourself for what you can never do. Okay, so it is necessary to know about your personality type, because in this way you'll only be in the same loop and again having the same lessons but not acting properly. So the personality type you can not only know through the horoscope, your sign, like you are Cancer, Leo or whatever, or you are introvert, ambivert, extrovert, not like that only. There are different quizzes also. There are personality types, the attachment styles. You must know about your attachment style, and the Chinese zodiac sign also. You can see through your birth year what is your Chinese zodiac sign. You are a wood dog, horse, or whatever, you can check according to your year. So it really helps you know about your personality type, and again it will help you manifest faster. And you have to check the stress signs in your body also, like in different environments with different people. So these people are not good for you, it means, when your body is giving you stress signs, okay, or the specific job environment is not good for you, your body again keep giving you signs, all right? So you have to find out what makes you happy, what are your pleasures and what are not your pleasures. Then again you will be able to manifest faster. Keep doing the activities, hobbies, specific, go to specific places, gym, yoga, whatever makes you happy. Some people I mean, they feel happy in the gym. Some people feel happy in doing yoga. So you have to know about your own pleasures, what makes you happy. That's all. And I hope this helps you. If there is any confusion, just comment down below. I'll definitely help you guys, or maybe there is another topic you guys need, so I'll definitely make it for you. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.